Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu.
Hello, it's Ulianka, and today I'm doing Pikachu makeup / face painting. I loaded my sponge with yellow paint and going around my forehead and my cheekbones. I don't go all the way to the hair and leaving a little bit of space, and it's going to work as the Pikachu's forehead. Then I'm using light eyeshadows and filling in all my top lid and then painting pink circles on the sides of my eyes. For the shiny part, I'm using Inglot eyeshadows. It's loose, very sparkly. I think it's number 118. And I'm going over my eyelids. I'm going over the nose, cheekbones, since I wanted my the whole character be very sparkly and delicate. Over those circles, I wanted first to make a strong makeup, but then I changed my mind and I wanted to make it really contrasting with the soft middle part. So I went over these pink circles with mixing liquid from Maron and red glitter. Next, I'm painting Pikachu's eye, which is going to go straight over my own iris. I will also paint another small circle, which is going to be a highlight, and I'll just leave it empty and fill in all the rest of the eye. Nose and the mouth I'm making very small and tiny, so it won't interrupt. It will just be there, but it will be hardly noticeable. When I painted these cute little eyes for Pikachu, I realized that I wanted to have my own eyes a bit more pronounced. So my eyes over the glitter and over the circles. And then I'm shadowing Pikachu's mouth and nose. I'm shadowing it just a little bit, so it kind of looks like it's 3D. It's kind of lost somewhere in the muzzle, and then going outlining the eyes, adding some highlights in the middle and on the outside as well, and it actually brings it forward, makes the more contrast with the overall look. Next part is to outline the shape of the ears. I'm painting them below my cheekbones since there's going to be a shadow there. This Inglot loose shadow is one of my favorite for highlighting. It's really sparkly. You cannot see it from here, but it's very nice and effective. And after applying it to my mouth, I'm going over the nose and the lower part of my lip to shadow it a little bit more. And then I'm also shadowing my ears. I keep most of the shadow to the edge of the ear, and I'm not going into the middle of the ear too much. If you're enjoying this video so far, you might also like my Instagram channel. It's called Ulianka Arty, and I have there not only my transformations but also some paintings from weekend parties, maybe some videos which I've done for BBC, or just a little fun, like here you can see a dog on a hand. Just whatever I don't do video with, you will find there as well. And now, while we are back to our Pikachu, I'm outlining the shape of the head, going a little bit around the eyes to make it look like kind of sitting inside his heart, and outlining more the circles around that, just to add some more contrast. And of course, I couldn't leave my Pikachu without his zigzaggy tail. I didn't want to put it actually on my face since it would be too much over there, so I decided to go on my shoulder. And I first outlined in the shape of the zigzag, and then I'm filling in a little bit with the black, and inside it will be yellow color. I mixed gold glitter and mixing liquid from Maron together and then applied it all over this shape. At the end, I'm just outlining the shape with black color, and this will be my overall look finished. Footage for this video was laying around for about 2 years, and I finally decided to do it with a new movie coming out. I sincerely hope that it was worth rummaging through my old files and making this video for you. Please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm hoping to see you very soon in my next video, which is going to be out very soon. While waiting, you can also check my other videos. If you like this one, I'm sure you will find something else which would be of interest for you.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Pikachu.